Alright, you guys, so we're gonna be taking the Raptor to go get the new springs. So I got the Eibach in there already. Coils. These are the ones we're gonna be swapping out, these bad boys. I don't think they've been swapped out. Changed since the truck was new. At least not the previous owner. He put like about 100,000 miles and he's never changed them, so I don't think they've been changed. So we're gonna get that because it's a little wavy to ride. Let's do a cold start. First things first, we're gonna be heading, drop it off. I'm not gonna be able to pick it up until tomorrow. Hopefully they take good care of my truck. Kinda got a long little road trip to go, but let's stay tuned. I'm excited to finally get this because like I said, when I'm driving, it feels very wavy. All right, so like I said, you guys, it feels very wavy. So when I go through like bumps or uneven pavement or stuff, it kind of jumps a lot. So for example, this speed bump, you'll see. I guess it's kind of hard to see over the video, but you feel the truck once it should kind of settle after, but this thing kind of it takes a while to finally settle. It feels like you're in the clouds, like just very jumpy. Hey, what's up you guys? So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little walk around of the truck that we just picked up, of the Raptor. I'm not sure if I've been kind of all over with the videos lately because so basically I picked this up about a month ago. When I picked it up, I needed to redo the shocks. I'll show you guys actually. So these are the Eibach springs that I put on the rebuilt Fox shocks. So these actually lifted the truck like about an inch or two from the front. The back stayed the same, so now it gives it more like a leveled look. I want to say that the front looks a little bit taller than the back. The rebuild. I'm gonna have to do this. So I already had done this on video, but I guess I wasn't recording, so I'm doing the measurements. I'm gonna do show you guys the difference. So it ended up being like about 1/4 inch. The front is higher. So this is the front measurement. I'm going from the bottom, from the ground up. It's about 43.5. 43.5, all right? There's the front. The back is about 43.25 is what I measure. About 43.25 or so. So basically the front is about 1/4 inch taller than the back. So it is it's not actually completely leveled, but the front is about 1/4 inch higher. So it's not too bad though, it's not too much. So this is, if I would have left the original springs, it would have left to the stock height, which is usually the back is a little bit raised. But since I replaced the springs when I got the Fox shocks replaced, I got the Eibach ones, which lifted the front about an inch or so, so it gives it that leveled look. But anyway, this is the new Mamalona we're gonna be working on. I'll give you guys another walk around later. It's just that right now I'm kind of short on time and I want to go get the windows tinted like that. The front doesn't look like it has any window tint. So just the back ones, I want to remove them because I want to put new fresh tint all around the dark tint. But the back, I think I'm leaving that as is, and I'm just gonna try to put the film over it or see if they can remove this back one because I don't want to mess with the defrost lines. So anyways, that's what we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned for more videos, you guys. Stay tuned with more videos coming up on the Mamalona, and I'll show you guys in the next video what I have planned and stuff for it, and give you guys a better walk around as well. All right, thanks you guys, stay tuned.